southwestern Escambia County in northwestern Florida until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:11 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Movico to 7 miles south of Tanner Williams, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gust. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Locations intended include Midtown Mobile, downtown
Gilmer's Corner, Fairhope, Saraland, Beminette, Theodore, Chickasaw, Satsuma, Spanish Fort, Robertsdale, Creola, Point Clear, Loxley, Chantiva, Stoughton, Stapleton, and Axis. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Alabama. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time for south central and southwestern Alabama and northwestern Florida. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Baldwin and Mobile, and Escambia, Florida. This is a special weather statement for the following